Yo guys, I heard some popping noises around the neighbor. I'm in my cousin's house. Look, it's nighttime, it's evening. Okay guys, I'm in my cousin's house. It's not my house. So look at this popping noises I heard earlier. Uh-huh. Hmm? Okay. Alright, there's my mom here. And this. I heard some puppies. Huh? I heard some popping noises. What was that? Shh. No, I'm recording. Yo. I think it's coming from the woods. Okay. Maybe look at it. Look at it. It's quiet here. It is 8:57 p.m. Ooh. My mom is taking my salad. This is my cousin's trampoline. Like I jump. Yo! You hear that? I hear like a couple times. I hear 6 times. Let me talk to my mom. No. Mommy. No. Okay guys, I asked my mom for the popping sounds and he just said yes. I think I'm a little bit scared. I think they're doing the fireworks or something. It's like coming from the sky or a neighborhood. And we're starting. Shh.